I'm going to be giving away something that I never done before, a complete step-by-step video on how to set up GoHighLevel software and everything around it. And if you stick around until the end of the video, I will show you guys exactly how to get your hand on this video for absolutely free. So let me just show you exactly what I mean. So these videos are put together neatly in a folder that you can actually download to your computer and put it into your Skool community or whatever course portal that you have. Right here in this particular folder, we have setting up brand logo, A2P, white label, website, email service, setting up phone. And guys, if you're new here and you don't know what a white label video is, it's pretty much a pre-made video that you can rebrand as your own. That means the original creator allow you to add your own logo, your own color, and your own voiceover on top of it. Like as you can see here in one of this video, the white label interface is completely brand. We have an English speaking voiceover, which is really good to repurpose for English speaking customer. Again, you can add your own voiceover using AIs and 11 Lab later on. Now moving on, we have folder of GHL demo video, sales video, onboarding video, and obviously the basic setup such as branding, rebuilding, lead generation, SaaS launch, and foundation setup. So if you're watching it this far, you must be asking, why the heck do I need this? Okay, 3 reasons, guys. The first is what we call a SaaS DIY client, right? We're gonna get a lot of this client if you're actually selling GoHighLevel as SaaS. So these are the people who are unwilling or can't afford to pay high ticket for us or for you to set everything up for them, right? So they can't afford 6-7K, but what they can afford is a $97 to $197 per month plan, where they can set up this system, this software, and this AI tool by themselves. But what they do need is a minimal group support and a step-by-step video on how to set up GoHighLevel AI agents and everything by themselves, right? This is the people that like to get their hand dirty and want to sit down and learn the system and set up everything by themselves. Now, the best thing about these people is that they're going to be very, very sticky, because if someone's going to spend 10-20 hours to study the software and set it up with their own sweats and tears, they're going to want to stay around and using the software for a lot longer. Now, our second who is GoHighLevel affiliate. Now, if you're an agency owner and you want to get another agency owner who using ClickFunnels or Infusionsoft or MailChimp to come over to HighLevel, you don't want to be onboarding them and teaching them everything. You want to be leveraging the setup video to get them started. Again, guys, we are one of HighLevel affiliate ourselves and consistently making 4 or 5 figures per month from the affiliate program. So this tool do work. HighLevel is being very generous, offering a whopping 40% recurring monthly income to any referral who's staying on their platform month to month. Like again, we're making a shy of 400K from this program alone. So hopefully this white label video gonna help you guys do the same thing or set you in the right path to this direction. Now, our third reason is using it as a free gift, as a lead magnet. So if you're launching ad and try to get people to sign up to your SaaS platform or have anything to do with HighLevel, let's say you are a GoHighLevel agency where you help people from the US or UK setting up their first HighLevel account, you can totally use this as a free gift. Let's say you're an ad agency and you want to be attracting people who are running ad with no automation in place. You can use that as a free gift to get them inside your CRM and inside your HighLevel network. And I totally believe this is the best gift that you can give to anyone to start off that first relationship and cause a chain reaction of reciprocation where you do something nice to people. So now they kind of want to do something nice to you back by become a paying client in your business. Now again, this video is extremely generic, so that means you can add your own voiceover in another language using AI if you wanted to. And again, it doesn't have anyone logo on it, so you can just slap your own logo on top of it using a bit of video editing software tool. Now this is part of our exclusive bonus that we're giving away to our inner circle who's signing up to our HighLevel 30-day trial, as well as our EchoSetter inner circle, our lead family. You're not just getting the white label video, guys, you're actually getting the entire thing, such as our ebook snapshot for real estate, self-booking survey, client automation snapshot, referral snapshot, webinar snapshot, coaching snapshot, just really a bunch of useful snapshot that you could be needing in the future, or maybe right now. This snapshot you can use for your client as well. So this is just part of this overall exclusive bonus, and we'll be continue to adding more module and more snapshot as we grow ourselves for our agency. So make sure that you actually just get a 30-day trial, check the link in the description, and get EchoSetter or Elite Family membership. Like, again, this is going to be part of the exclusive bonus when you sign up to the GoHighLevel 30-day trial, as well as the EchoSetter AI and the Elite Inner Circle will also get access to all of this at once at the same time. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and drop in the comment if you have any other question. I make sure to reply to all of them. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.